We've waited a long time for this. All right, we're headed back to the top. Julie had to stop and poop. It's a little lizard friend. The lizard hanging off the bathroom.
There you are, little guy.
Now, we got tickets online. They were $35 a piece. You'll check in at a little stand at the beginning of this path. The path that we're walking on actually takes you up to where you get your hard hats and you meet your tour guide. You also get a flashlight. And there is like a little souvenir stand, gift shop there.
Are we late?
Almost.
Really?
12:54.
Shit.
And apparently, we still have a long way to walk.
Ah. Just like me coming in hot.
The tour in total lasts about 90 minutes. You just want to make sure you give yourself time, show up a little early, because you have to get tickets. You also have to walk up this path. So it does take, I think it took us like total 10 minutes or so. And the only bathrooms are right here at the beginning of the path. So keep that in mind as well.
This park was a coffee plantation in the past, in the 40s and the 50s. Yeah, let's go.
And a big shout out to our tour guide, Wilfredo.
We are going to go through 2 caves and we are going to see 3. This is one of our 5 caves. This is Pee-wee Cave. Yeah, cave is a natural cavity in the rock, and if a person can go inside, it's a cave. Very simple.
So on our walk to the first cave, Wilfredo gives some history lessons about the property and the area. He also talks about some of the native species as far as plants and animals you might see along the trail and even in Puerto Rico.
Any chupacabras in the caves?
No chupacabras, but maybe we have some snakes. We have 2 kinds of snakes in the island. We have the razor snake and the Puerto Rican boa. Oh, yeah. No, but it's okay. That is a cave. Look, guys.
Beautiful.
Yeah, let's go. Come on, my friend. Come on, welcome to my office. Come on, welcome to the first cave. The name of this cave is Clara Cave, Clarity Cave. Because inside of this cave have 3 openings when the light goes through, okay? This cave has 200 feet long, 50 feet height inside. Guys, you know about petroglyphs? You know petroglyphs? It's stone engraving. The cutting in the stones by the Aborigines.
Taino.
By who?
Taino?
Yeah, Taino petroglyph. That's right. Look, my friend here. See the 2 eyes? Mouth. Made by the Aborigines. Look, this one. 2 eyes.
Oh, that's cool.
Those petroglyphs have approximately like 800 years. Yeah. Look, here guys, look.
That's a face.
Yeah, we have a face, a scary face. Yeah, these petroglyphs have like 4,000 years. Yeah, a lot. Beautiful cave, huh?
Yes.
Beautiful. Okay, everybody all set, right? Let's go to the cave, come on.
So as we made our way through the first cave, and Wilfredo dropping some more knowledge, pointing out some more petroglyphs and some features, the best part was still yet to come.
Come on. Guys, from this point, the ground is very slippery, okay? Uneven. Follow me.
I can't see nothing. Huh?
Yeah. Come on, friends.
If you don't like bats, this is definitely a tour you want to avoid. Wilfredo did have some cool facts about the bats.
One male in the middle around females. They just can have like 1 or 2 babies in a year, very low process. The bats are not blind. They can see, but they prefer use the echolocation system. They emit the sound. That sound bounces in the wall, and they can fly inside this dark cave without crashing in the walls. This is the fruit bat. Why we know this is the fruit bat, guys? You can turn on the flashlights. These bats, they don't eat the seed. They just eat the shell and then drop the seed. It's a pollinizer bat, okay?
While I thought this was cool, Julie not so much. It was time for the star of the show.
Okay, let's see. Let's go to the main attraction. Guys, you can turn off the flashlight. Come on, welcome here. Welcome to the main attraction, the window cave. Cueva Ventana, yeah, beautiful place. Yeah, stand here, come on.
Perfect.
Yes, you can stand here. We don't cross to that part. Okay. It's at 680 feet from sea level. It's a big ravine there, okay? Here.
We waited a long time for this moment. Keep in mind, this cave has been closed for many years due to permitting issues. Anyone visiting this area, this is a must-do. But like all great things in life, our time was up and we had to make our way back.
Okay, Daddy, get low. Turn off the flashlight and put it here in my Indiana Jones box.
Look at these stairs I gotta climb.
Dios mío. Let's end the tour. I know you want to go to the beach. I saw the beach today, and the water looks very flat.
What'd you think of the tour?
Oh, I love cave.
How would you rate the tour?
Oh, how would I rate the tour? Compared to what? Because the piece de resistance is the window. And we've been waiting for it for so long. It's fantastic. I'd say like a 9.
Nine's pretty, 9.5, okay.
I think so.
Yeah, it was really cool. Our tour guide, Wilfredo.
Wilfredo.
He was great.
Amazing. He did great. It was really super cool because you really got into the cave. It wasn't like a trail. Like, it was more natural. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, I'm trying to describe. It's like you were actually like you could trip over things and get hurt. So like, this was more natural than like when you go somewhere where it's all kind of formal. I thought it was great.
Yeah, it was cool.
And
it was still, even with the cave, because I don't know, it's like a pass-through cave, I guess you would call it, because it was very humid. Most caves are very cool. This was not. The window cave had a breeze.
It's also higher up.
Yeah.
I just think, wow, like that view at the end is worth the drive, the walk, the ticket. Absolutely, hands down.
Well, guys, that's going to do it for this one. I want to thank you all for joining us on this amazing adventure. And if you like this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more All Great Adventures.